TFGM because it's a chance for us to showcase our love and support for the LGBTQIA+ community, both to colleagues in TFGM but wider into Greater Manchester and beyond. And we're really excited at this opportunity to do something a bit different and showcase that TFGM can have a bit of fun as well. So this year for Pride, we've taken it a step further. We have got a tram wrap, which we've done in the past, but we've decided to upgrade it for 2023. We've got a full tram wrap with our partners Aura. We've got decorations across the TFGM building. We've got 100 walkers walking in the parade, and we've got some internal initiatives going live for 23 as well, which we're really excited and proud about. My favourite part of the day is definitely the parade itself. It's a lot of work up to this point, but when we're in it, everyone has a great time. Seeing families come together and the LGBT community coming to show their support, it's just a great day, and I'm really excited to get going.
Just generally the atmosphere around the place, everyone's incredibly happy. It's just a really friendly, relaxed atmosphere, and it's just going to be a great day. We've partnered with TFGM for a number of years, and that partnership seems to be growing year upon year as well. So we wanted to make sure that they had the maximum impact for the Pride tram this year by fully wrapping it. So we've contributed to 50% of the cost for it this year, just so it's got the maximum exposure and it could be the best it could be. We've also done lots nationwide, including for TfL on the Overground. We've also wrapped the train for the Elizabeth line. We've done campaigns for Greater Anglia as well. So we've been heavily involved in a lot of Pride campaigns this year.